our channel. So today, I am gonna be a ice cream seller. Okay, the TV. Okay, here, the screen. Let's go inside. Okay, we're gonna make. Okay. I'm gonna make ice cream. Okay. Here. Okay, there's the new family member. The new family member. The new family member, Ate Bibi. Okay. Okay. Can I mag-order? You want to order?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Someone or Ate Bibi is having an order. Okay.
Ice cream, please.
2 ice creams in total. But the ice creams are for free. Okay. I'ma put it here. I'ma put it here. Here. I'ma put it here. Okay, here. Making the ice cream.
Oh, run! Run. Run.
The ice cream is so hard.
Run. 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 Donut chow. Donut chow. Run.
Okay.
Donut chow. Donut chow. Donut chow.
Okay. So, yeah.
And here, I want 10 ice creams.
Okay, here is the food. Give it to Okay, baby. Okay.
Is this mine?
No. Okay. I served it to baby. Ano number?
Where's my ice cream? Where's my ice cream?
Okay, wait. Another order, Kai.
Yeah. Yeah. I love ice cream.
Oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Danielle is gonna. Danielle is trying to. Hey. The tea. Wait up.
For me.
I'm inside. Done. Stay ready.
For you, mommy.
I'm ready. I found the full and sweet. Wala ka yung coca. Ito, bless. No more. Someone waiting for me. We were just kids and we fell. We broke long time because I never give you up. Here's the order, baby Kai Kai. Okay. Okay. Time to put this in the ref so we can. Okay.
Ikaw na pala kay Timbong ko.
Bye everybody. See you soon.